Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today I am nestled in the middle of Central City in New Orleans, and I'm coming to pick up a pinball project. So let's take a look at this pinball project that we found here. Looks like these were survivors of Katrina. They didn't get completely wet up to the box, but they did get flooded a little bit, but they're in pretty good condition. I've already started to break some of them down, but as you can see, we have an 8-ball deluxe here. There's a little bit of damage here with some cracking. They had a board holding it up. Things look really bad when I looked in here and I saw all kinds of rusted flipper mechs, and I thought, uh-oh. But it doesn't appear to be as bad as the inside of the machine. Playfield looks pretty good. I don't see any major wear. Tiny little bit of wear there, but there's limited electricity in here, just with some extension cords, so there's not a lot of light. And then there's this Gottlieb Silver Slugger here. Hard to tell what condition it's in, but these are two projects that we're going to bring into the club and see if we can bring them back to life. Very filthy for sure. And I had to drill into the head because there was not a key for that, but we got that off. The back glass for 8-ball deluxe looks really nice. Look at that. I don't see any flaking, so that's nice. So now the question is, can we break these things down and get them into the vehicles? I have one SUV, and then we've got another little smaller car that I think we might be able to throw this thing into. We're going to see. But look at the old doorbell. That's an old school trick to put a credit button on these games because they didn't have free play built into them. So stand by. We're going to see what happened in the next part. I will probably be unloading these, get them into some light, clean them up a little bit, and we'll see what we're dealing with. So until next time, thanks for watching.